Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to divide any circle into any required number of equal parts. So it's a very important topic, and sometimes while working in AutoCAD you have to divide an object, especially a circle, to different equal number of parts. So you will learn in this video that how to divide a circle into any required number of equal parts with the help of example. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So let's start that how to divide a circle into any required number of equal parts. So first we have to click on the circle and then we'll draw a circle. So let's suppose we want that the radius of the to specify the radius of the circle, as you can see in the command line. So we have to specify the circle of the radius as, let's suppose it is 4 feet. Now this is the circle which has been which has a radius of 4 feet, and now we have to divide this circle into, let's suppose, 6 number of equal parts. So we will first click on this drop down button in the draw category of tools. So here you have to select this one, which is the divide. So when you click on this, as you can see in the command line, it required to specify the select the object in that you want to divide. So we want to divide this object, so we will be selecting it. Once we select this object, as you can see in the command line, it required to specify the number of segments to which you want to divide the object. So we want to divide it into 6 parts, so we will enter 6 and then we'll click enter. So now this circle has been divided into 6 equal parts. So to see that equal parts, so you have to select this and we'll move. And now these are the 6 points. As you can see, this one, another is this one, and another is this one. So these are the 6 equal portions. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to draw and to show that part. So we will click on the line command and then we'll move the mouse cursor and we'll click on the points of equal distance. So now you can see this is the one point, this one. So we will click and we'll match with the center, then we will search the second point, which is as we move on the circumference. So this is the next point, and then the next point will be lying about here. This is the next point, so we will, and now the next point will be lying here, and then the next point is lying here, and the last point is here. And then you will click on enter, and then you have to remove the guided lines. So now you can see that this circle has been equally divided into 6 equal portions, 3 above this center line and 3 below this center line. So this is how you can divide your circle into different number of equal parts. So this was all about that, how to divide your circle into different equal parts. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.